Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with a secret code and after that I'll show you another way through the settings. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. And now, fortunately, we do not have to enter any other sections. The IMEI numbers are listed right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.